Do you feel so ready to speak French? You've prepared your sentence, maybe you even rehearsed in your head. But the moment you stand in front of le boulanger, le marchand au marché, your heart starts to race, your throat tightens, and your lips stay sealed. You are not alone. This happens to so many learners, especially when French feels fast, unfamiliar, or when you want so badly to get it right. This meditation is designed to help you release that pressure and step into presence. To remember that the essence of speaking, it's not perfection. It's sharing, being understood, and connecting. If you can, listen to this meditation every day for the next 30 days. Think of it as a gentle challenge, a way to develop the right mindset for speaking French with ease, curiosity, and confidence. For the next few minutes, we will soften the body, calm the mind, and open the heart. Words will begin to flow with more ease, and you will step into French conversations with curiosity and joy. Allez, let's begin. Take a deep breath in, inspire, and exhale slowly. Expire. Feel your shoulders drop, your jaw soften, and your hands relax. You are here, safe and grounded. You are about to speak a beautiful language. You love the melody so much, and there is no rush. You have all the time you need. When you speak French, parlez français, your lips move in the French way. The melody of the language plays in your ear. The sounds lean gently towards the ends of the words. You feel this rhythm in your body. It flows through you and becomes part of you. Parler français, c'est naturel. Parler français, c'est naturel. C'est simple. C'est simple. I no longer experience shame or timidity. I inhale curiosity and the joy of learning. La joie d'apprendre. I exhale fear of judgment, shame, and the heat of embarrassment. The people I speak to, my interlocuteurs, are kind, patient, and open. Ouvert. They understand my message, and even if they don't at first, I simply repeat. Je répète. Je répète tranquillement. We have time. Time is with us. When they speak, ils parlent, and I don't understand. I do not panic. I'm happy to be a learner, un étudiant. J'apprends et je grandis. I'm growing. I'm learning, I'm growing, and I'm proud of it. I ask, pouvez-vous répéter, s'il vous plaît? Plus doucement. Vous avez dit, vous parlez de... I give myself permission to take my time and I stay playful. It's all good. Tout va bien. Tout va bien. I'm already so brave. I stepped out of the comfort of my own language. When the French repeats, I understand. Je comprends. Je comprends. Je comprends. One word, un mot. Two words, deux mots. And everything. Tout. It's easy, it's simple, c'est facile. When I'm fully present, speaking is easier. And it's okay not to know. It's humbling. It keeps me young. My brain is alive, fresh, and eager to learn. Apprendre. Apprendre. I understand. Je comprends. I speak French easily. Je parle français facilement, facilement, naturellement, naturellement. I hear the melody of French. J'entends la mélodie du français. I inhale confidence. J'inspire la confiance. J'inspire la confiance, la présence. Je suis présent. Je suis présent. I am present when I speak. And I exhale doubt and fear. J'expire le doute, la peur. It's easy, c'est facile. And now, take one more deep breath in. And let it out slowly. Find this confidence inside and carry this calm into your next French conversation. Vas-y, tu peux parler. You can speak. Tu peux connecter. You can connect. You are ready. You are capable. You are already connecting. Bravo, bravo for stepping out of your comfort zone. It's a sign you are already growing. Even if it's not always comfortable, it is simply part of learning, growing, and opening new doors in your life. À bientôt.